The HingeJigPLUS by Milescraft is a one-stop solution for door installation work. The jig helps to route and install door and frame hinges, latches, and strike plate mortises quickly and accurately. Included are all the accessories, tools, and templates required to create clean cuts and amazing results. The dual clamping design of the HingeJigPLUS mounts quickly and holds firm to ensure cuts are in the right spot and the right size. No need for screws or nails. The HingeJigPLUS creates perfect hinge mortises in 2.5 inch, 3 inch, 3.5 inch, 4 inch, and 4.5 inch sizing on both a door or the frame. For doors, insert plugs to door setting, set the adjustable spacer into the correct sizing slot facing the door cavity, clamp, and route. On frames, the HingeJigPLUS is reconfigured to clamp on flatter surfaces, and the process is just as simple. Included offset pins make sure that the spacing stays accurate and the width of the hinge mortise is just right. To make things even easier, the jig is equipped with 2 automatic depth setting guides to ensure proper routing depth. The design of the HingeJigPLUS also makes it easy to change between 1/4 inch and 5/8 inch radius mortises. Flip the radius inserts and spacer to the curved side for 5/8 inch hinges, or the flat side for 1/4 inch hinges. Unlike other systems that sell multiple tools to complete the door, the HingeJigPLUS includes drop-in templates to route latch plate and strike mortises. Simply remove the adjustable spacer, set the backset plug to latch, and drop in a template. The strike template is used when the jig is in the frame position and uses the index pins to set distance. For a complete door mortising solution, nothing matches the speed and ease of the HingeJigPLUS. Milescraft, always the better idea.